Netflix loophole revealed. A powerful AI system is now helping us collect $149 payments again and again just by sharing short 5-second videos. Netflix built a $1 billion empire using this strategy. Now, it's our turn to tap into the same model and earn on autopilot. No selling, no experience required. Don't miss out. Get in now. The more videos we share, the more $149 payments we get. It's honestly that simple. Just 2 clicks, hit share, and you're done. This Netflix Cash Loophole works on any device, computer, phone, or tablet. No traffic needed to earn, and it's so straightforward. No experience needed. Everything is done for us automatically. We give you viral videos to share, and they make money even while you sleep. No extra expenses, no selling, and we still get paid. And here's the best part. It's 100% legal and ethical, and it only takes 2 minutes to start earning. It works in any niche, anywhere in the world. Plus, there's a 180-day money-back guarantee, so it's completely risk-free. AI does all the hard work. You simply select a video, share it, and watch the payments roll in. It really is that easy. This AI loophole is helping people make huge amounts of money, thousands, tens of thousands, even millions. It works by using a secret website that pays us every time we share trending content. Simple and automated. Anyone can do it. If you can share viral videos that are already done for you, then you qualify to start making money with this Netflix Cash Loophole. No experience needed, no selling, just share and earn. Here's how to start earning with the Netflix Cash Loophole. Step 1. Click Get Instant Access Now and create your account. Step 2. Download the done-for-you viral videos we give you. Step 3. Share them on a secret website and get paid $149 again and again. It's that simple. No selling, no experience needed, just share and earn. The more you share, the more you earn. All it takes is sharing viral videos to a secret site, and the commissions keep rolling in. 5 videos shared equals $745 profit. 10 videos shared equals $1,490 profit. 20 videos shared equals $2,980 profit. 50 videos shared equals $7,450 profit. It's fast, simple, and automated. No selling, no experience needed, just share and get paid. This weird video sharing loophole is forcing big companies to pay us $149 over and over in recurring commissions. It taps into Netflix's $1 billion model. All we do is share videos on a secret site and collect payments daily. What's making us rich? We've unlocked a cash machine that never stops. By promoting subscription-based products, we get paid on repeat, month after month, like clockwork. These are real products from billion-dollar brands that are begging to pay you for bringing in new subscribers. Money keeps flowing in even while we sleep. Streaming services that pay you every month. Digital and software subscriptions that print money nonstop. Online courses and coaching programs that keep paying you over and over. There's a never-ending list of recurring commission products out there, but the secret? You must know where to find them. How we make money without lifting a finger. We set it up once and get paid forever. True passive income. No product creation, no chasing customers, just send traffic and collect commissions. Our income snowballs fast. Every subscriber stays, and our earnings stack up. This is how billion-dollar brands dominate, and now we're using the same system. Thanks to this little-known website, making money has never been easier. The best part? No video creation needed. Let's be real. I hate being on camera. Creating videos? No thanks. But with this system, that doesn't matter. No recording, no editing, no stress. The videos are done for you. Just share them and get paid. Each video shared brings in $149 recurring commissions. It's that easy. Share, earn, repeat. Upgrades to explode your earnings. O201 Unlimited, $67, $47. O202 100% done for you, $97, $67. O203 Unlimited Traffic, $97, $67. O204 Automation, $67, $47. O205 ATM Edition, $67, $37. O206 license price $197. Act now or regret later. Prices are rising fast. Netflix Cash Loophole, Warrior Plus Product by Glenn Kosky. What the product teaches, affiliate funnel setup, how to create a lead capture page and direct traffic to it, setting up a complete sales funnel to promote recurring commission programs, driving traffic through paid ads and free methods, example social media, video content. Recurring commission model. The system is based on subscription-based affiliate programs, similar to Netflix's business model, earning from small monthly payments that add up over time. Unlike traditional affiliate programs, you earn commissions every month as long as the user stays subscribed. Traffic and monetization strategies, email list building, capturing leads and following up with emails to promote offers, sending promotions for high-ticket and recurring commission products. Paid advertising strategy, using commissions from existing sales to reinvest in ads for more traffic. Scaling traffic without spending out of pocket, funding ads with profits. Organic free traffic strategy, creating and sharing content, videos, posts on social media to drive traffic. Sales process and earnings model. The front-end offer brings in new subscribers. You get low-ticket sales at first, example, $1 trial. Over time, these trials convert into full-paying subscribers for monthly recurring commissions. You can stack commissions as more people subscribe. One-time sales funnels can be used to cover advertising costs quickly. Pros and cons. Recurring commissions create long-term passive income. Focuses on list building, which is a key strategy in online marketing. Step-by-step training on setting up an affiliate marketing business. Includes strategies for both free and paid traffic sources. Cons. No real connection to Netflix, just a marketing gimmick. Sales page is vague. The strategy is not fully explained until after purchase. Paid advertising required for faster scaling, which can be costly upfront. Earnings are not immediate. You need time to build up your commission base. So, can you really make money with Netflix Cash Loophole? Yes, but only if you take action and understand how traffic works. The system removes the technical headaches. You don't need to build websites or create content, but you still need to drive visitors to your affiliate links. If you're expecting easy money, you'll be disappointed. But if you're serious about affiliate marketing and willing to learn and apply traffic strategies, this system could give you a solid head start. Why Netflix Cash Loophole is a game changer for you. Perfect for beginners. No experience? No problem. Start earning even if you're brand new. Works worldwide. Whether you're in Kenya, India, USA, or anywhere else, all you need is Wi-Fi. Just click and activate. So simple, even an 8-year-old could do it. A few clicks and you're in. 100% legal and ethical. Big companies have to pay you, whether they like it or not. No hidden costs, no pricey tools or surprise fees. You get everything up front. No upsells needed. You won't be tricked into buying extra stuff. It's all included. Works on any device. Use it on your phone, tablet, or computer, anywhere, anytime. Get started today and tap into this powerful cash loophole.